we are moving forward now. We got our cripple studs in, we got all our objects on the right layers. Now we're going to put the sheeting on. So the sheeting comes into play, meaning we're going to put on this is a 2x4 wall, so we're going to put gypsum wallboard and gypsum wallboard on each side. And we'll have that done. On a 2x4 wall, residential construction, it is 1/2-inch gypsum wallboard. So we're going to put that on. And we typically do this, I mean, they come in 4x12 sheets, so they would come 4 feet long, or 4 feet high, 12 feet long, whatever. 4x8 sheets, whatever. We're going to do this all in one. So I just click on rectangle, and I go up to the top, and I go push pull. And we're going to go 1/2 inch. 1 divided by 2. And there's our 1/2 inch sheetrock. Now, this being said, we have to draw the line to cut the door opening. And we actually have to do a little bit of cutting on this bottom plate too. But we'll start out with that. So to cut on the bottom plate, we're going to right click on the plate and hit Make Unique. Then we're going to draw a line across. Or actually straight down. Oh, shoot. I messed up again. I made unique, but I didn't edit the component, so I got to double click on it to edit the component. But if you remember, we got that whole problem back here. So if I go here, that's 1'6" 1/4 to 4'8" 3/4. Tape measure. Click on the end here, right on this blue dot for the midpoint. 1'6.25" is 1/4. And then end here, 1'8.25". Sorry, 4'8". And 3/4. Let's see if that looks about right. That looks right there. That looks right there. Then we're going to draw a rectangle on the top of it. And we're going to cut that plate out. Then I can erase what I don't need there. So now we got that plate all the way cut out for that door. So you don't have to step over something when you walk through the door. Come up here. We're going to cut out that gypsum board, or most people call it sheetrock. Boom. Push, pull, and cut that out. Sheetrock's done. What I'm going to do now is make a little kind of a wavy cut here to kind of go through this so that you can see the studs on the inside, because this is a detailed drawing. So I'm going to use a 3-point arc. start somewhere in here, end somewhere over here. Keep it on this face. Push pull, cut that off, and use the eraser to erase what I don't want left here. Sometimes you can select and use the delete key. And I can see through, and I got a nice piece of information there. So I'm going to triple click, hold down Shift, and I have those two pieces selected. And I'm going to right click, make component, call this Gypsum, wallboard, and OK. And I'm going to do the same thing to move it to the back side. Just grab this corner right here, tap the control key, put it right on this corner right here. And I have the gypsum wallboard on the back side. There it is over there. You can see it's the studs are going through. And this, when I double click on it, edit it, I can kind of see a couple of the other lines that I had left over. Last thing I got to see is it's red right now, so I need to put it on a tag here. So I'm going to hit add tag. Should add it all the way at the bottom. And we're going to call it the sheeting layer. So this is going to be the outside layer. Now hold down Shift and grab both sides. And notice it says those are untagged. We're going to go down to sheeting. I forgot to put OB in front of sheeting. And this is where we're going to go. We got all those layers taken care of. Got all of our pieces taken care of here. This is where you do your screenshot and bring that information over.